This is our Blender interface, and in this video we are going to learn how to bevel corner of any object and what problem we face during beveling and how to resolve that type of problem. This is our Blender interface, and we are going to see first we edit this cube and scale it in y-axis. Press S plus Y and drag our mouse to scale it, and it is scaled in y-axis. And also we are going to scale it is in z-axis. To scale this, press key on keyboard S plus Z to scale in Z direction and scale it in Z direction. Now we are going to bevel this corner. First we are going to edit mode from here, or also you press tab key to edit mode. Select the corner only for selection mode. Yes, selection mode. Select all corners by pressing shift key. We select all 4 corners, then press on keyboard Ctrl plus B to bevel the corner, or from here we can also bevel the corner, and then we press Ctrl plus B to bevel the corner, and scroll our mouse to give a smoothness or maximum faces on the beveling. Now we see it is not uniformly beveled, and we see how to resolve this issue. Now we need another keyboard to resolve this problem. You see we are in object mode, and we add a cube by shift and A, pressing on keyboard, and then select cube. Move it from origin to x-axis, G plus X, and move it in X direction. Now we visit edit mode, or pressing tab key to enter in edit mode. Press selection mode, select our top face and G, Z, move it down. Select the face, G, Z, this face, G, Y, G, Y. Okay. Now we select all corners by take a selection mode. Shift press and select the all corners. Then Ctrl plus V to bevel it. Now we see it is uniformly beveled. Corners are uniformly beveled. This is the process, and we see the another simple solution of this process. Now we take another cube to perform this. Shift plus A, Q, G, X to move it here. Select this face, G, J, select this face, G, Y, everything right direction, G, Y, everything right direction, select this face, G, J to move it right direction, and now we press Control plus A. Control plus A. It is not performed in edit mode, so we are waiting object mode by pressing Tab key. Then select this one and Control plus A and apply all transformations. Then visit edit mode and select the all corners by pressing a selection mode. Select the all four corners which we want to bevel. Then press Ctrl V to bevel it. You see it is beveled uniformly like this one. This is very simple. First we take a cube and scale it in your choice. GZ S plus Z price S plus Y, then apply the scale. Control plus A and apply the scale. Then edit mode by pressing Tab key and select all the four corners by pressing Shift key. Take a selection mode. Shift, select all the four corners. Then bevel it by pressing Ctrl V and scroll your mouse to move. Now we done. Then